Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
How are you all? I am also fine. So today I will tell you about dowry system. You know, nowadays dowry system is a big problem for everyone. It's a problem of whole world. Means everyone want to take dowry, but no one want to give dowry. If anyone means if in any house there are two child, first one is son and second one is daughter. If they want to do his daughter's marriage and the groom family demand for dowry, that time they said that those person are greedy for dowry and they demand much money and many things. But when they do his son's marriage, at that time they demand own self for dowry, means they demand luxury car and many things, many expensive things which the bride family can't afford it. But they try to give his daughter, because every parents want that my daughter live happily in his life. She never faced any problem because of me and because of his because of his all family. So everyone think about it, but those person they don't think about that time when they do his son's marriage. I have an example about it, because a marriage is happening means in my relation. They are my relative, and he is my uncle, and his sister's marriage is happening. When they do talk with the groom's family, that time they think that those person are so good, and his nature is also so good, and the nature of a groom, when we all talk with him, then we think that his nature is so good, and the marriage is happening happily, because the bride's family gave them more than his demand. They gave them many luxury things, just like means they afford a bike, so they gave them, and many other things which is the house using things they gave them. But after marriage, when his daughter comes at first time at his home, and means parental home, that time she told that they all are so good. But after that she called his parents and said that those person are beating me for the dowry, and his brother said that I will also give you more than his demand. So why they do this, and the person who do job in Jaipur with whom they do his sister's marriage, that person leave his job. He gave them resign, and he said that now your parents gave me the money, and after that I will feed you. And when that girl is pregnant, means that time his husband beat him, and when his baby is born, that time the doctor said that because of some injury your baby is become mental. He never speak anything, and his mind is become mental, and he also never watch anything. He lost his eyes. So that girl cried a lot. She said that this is the mistake of my family, but I don't think that this is the mistake of his family, because no one want to do wrong with his daughter and also with his sister. But we don't know that how that person, because we meet with him at least 2 and 3 months ago, so that time we don't know about it. But after some time we know that how was that person, and she also realized that what is happening with him, it is wrong. And nowadays means she is living at his parental home, because in his stomach a stone, and that's why his husband leave them. He said that if you if you fix him, then I will take him back. But if you don't cure him, that time I don't come at your home. And now she live at his home. And many things means which is happening in everyone's area. People think that I don't in means in his childhood time, means in teenage time, they think that I don't take dowry, and I am also not give dowry. But when they become young, mostly this is happening with boys. When they become young, at that time they think that my parents do a lot. My parents waste a lot of money on me. They become me educated person, and they do many things for me. So this is the opportunity for me that I will pay his whole things. And then they also agree to take dowry. But those person who are sensitive, they deny for it. But you know nowadays people what the people think. They think that if I can't afford this thing, means the groom family, they think if I can't afford an air conditioner, then they demand in his son's wedding. They demand I want an air conditioner, I want a luxury fridge, a refrigerator, and many things. Then they fulfill his dream by it. But the bride family means they don't watch his condition. If they are middle class people, that time it is very difficult for him to arrange everything. Because when my sister's marriage is happening, that time my aunt and my uncle, they take means they do his marriage at least 30 lakhs, upper than 30 lakhs, and they gave to the groom a luxury car. It is almost 60 to 70 lakh car. So they gave them. And now my sister is live happy in his life because she also do job, and she also support his family when his wedding is happening. But also in my relative a person, she want to do the marriage of his son, and his son is not looking so good. He is means what I said about it. He is not in a good looking, and he don't do any good job in his life. But yeah, he has a lot of property in Delhi. He has a lot of property about it, and that's why his mother demand at least almost 20 lakh rupees to the bride family. She said if you do marriage, then you do marriage upper than 20 lakh. But so when the people watch his son, and when they know about his job, because I think he is not doing any good job. He is doing any job just like 20,000 almost. But his dreams are so big. So everyone reject him. And nowadays he is a bachelor person. His marriage is not happening because of his mother. And if I think if she do anything just like that, then his age limit is crossed, that his marriage is not happening. So I think it's a very difficult situation for every bride family. And you know now a tradition is going on, which means a bride take dowry from the groom. If anyone's wedding is not happening, that time they think, that time the bride family, if they are clever, then they think that his marriage is also not happening. If I agree to do daughter's marriage with his son, then I will take dowry to them. And the groom's family is also give dowry to the bride family because it's his compulsion to do this. And everyone know about that many person purchase bride for himself. It is also happening in Bihar mostly. From there, people purchase bride. In my place, one person go there for doing marriage in Bihar. But when they come, that time he has two sons, and he will go there for doing one's marriage. But when they come, that time he do both marriage at there. He purchase a bride for both. So that's all.